What's up, everyone? This week we're covering February 23rd through February 27th, 2026. Here's everything you need to watch: earnings, economic data, and what actually matters. Let's start with the biggest event of the week. Nvidia reports earnings on Wednesday, February 25th after the bell. This is the last of the Magnificent Seven to report this quarter, and it's the one everyone has been waiting for. Wall Street is expecting EPS of $1.53 and revenue of $65.7 billion, representing 70% revenue growth year over year. Last quarter, Nvidia beat estimates by 4% on both EPS and revenue. But the question this time is not just whether they beat the numbers. It's what CEO Jensen Huang says about demand going forward. After the DeepSeek news shook investor confidence a few weeks ago, the market needs reassurance that big tech is still spending heavily on Nvidia chips. Meta, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon have all reaffirmed their AI CapEx plans, but investors want to hear it directly from Nvidia. Also, watch the forward guidance closely. If Nvidia guides above $67 or $68 billion for next quarter, expect the stock to move significantly. The stock has been lagging the broader market this year, which makes this call even more important as a potential catalyst. Tuesday brings Home Depot earnings before the open. The home improvement giant has been under pressure all year due to high mortgage rates, keeping existing home sales sluggish. Analysts expect modest results and will be focused on any signals of improvement in the housing outlook heading into spring. Also on Wednesday, Salesforce reports after the bell. Wall Street is expecting EPS of $3.04 and revenue of $11.2 billion, about 10% growth year over year. The software sector has been struggling, and investors will be watching whether AI products like Agentforce are generating real revenue or just hype. On the economic data side, the most important release this week is consumer confidence on Tuesday. Last month, it dropped 10%, one of the sharpest single-month declines in years. A second straight drop would be a clear red flag for consumer spending. And the broader economy, Wednesday also brings new home sales data. With mortgage rates still elevated, expectations are low, but any upside surprise could lift home builder stocks. Friday closes the week with the Personal Income and Outlays Report, which includes PCE inflation, the Fed's preferred gauge. The last reading came in at 2.8% year over year on core PCE. If this week's number runs hotter than expected, it will push rate cut expectations further out and put additional pressure on equities heading into March. Bottom line, this week Nvidia is the centerpiece. Strong numbers and confident guidance could give the entire market a lift after a choppy few weeks. Nothing here is financial advice. Always do your own research. We'll see you next week.